Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning Ascent, your trusted partner on the journey to mastering English, step by step, day by day. I'm Natalie, and with me is Michael. Hey, Michael, are you ready to unlock the secrets that will help you sound fluent fast?
Hey, Natalie. I'm really excited. I've been practicing shadowing for a while, but sometimes I feel stuck. I want to sound more natural, more confident, but I don't know what I'm missing. So, what are these 10 shadowing secrets nobody tells us?
That's exactly why we're here today, Michael. Shadowing is one of the most powerful techniques to improve your English fluency, but there are hidden tips that can make your practice more effective and faster. Today, we'll reveal those secrets, the ones that can transform your English speaking skills in ways you never imagined.
Awesome! Let's get started. What's the first secret?
Secret number 1. Shadow with emotion, not just words. Many learners focus on repeating words perfectly, but forget that language is about feelings and expression. When you shadow, try to match the speaker's emotions, their excitement, sadness, surprise. This makes your speech more natural and engaging.
That makes so much sense. I've noticed native speakers don't just say words, they feel them. So shadowing with emotion helps us sound more alive and real.
Exactly. When you add emotion, your voice becomes more dynamic and interesting. It's not just about accuracy, it's about connection. Secret number 2. Focus on rhythm and stress, not just pronunciation. English is a rhythmic language. Some syllables are stressed, others are soft. If you ignore this, your speech will sound robotic. Listen carefully to the beat of the sentence and try to copy it.
So it's like music. Some beats are louder, some softer.
Yes! English has a natural flow, and mastering that flow is key to sounding fluent. Secret number 3. Don't translate in your head. This is a big one. When you shadow, try to think in English, not your native language. Translation slows you down and makes your speech unnatural. Shadowing helps train your brain to process English directly.
That's tough, but important. How do we practice thinking in English?
We'll get to that soon. Secret number 4. Use short, manageable chunks. Don't try to shadow long sentences at once. Break them into small parts, phrases, or even single sentences. This helps you focus on accuracy and rhythm.
That's helpful. I often get overwhelmed trying to repeat long sentences.
Secret number 5. Repeat the same clip multiple times. Repetition is key. Shadow the same audio several times until you feel comfortable. This builds muscle memory and confidence. Got it. What's secret number 6? Secret 6. Record yourself and compare. Listening to your own voice helps you notice mistakes and track progress. It's like having a personal coach.
I'm a bit shy about recording myself, but I see how it can help.
It's normal to feel shy, but remember, this is for you, not for anyone else. Secret 7. Shadow different accents. Don't stick to just one accent. Exposure to various accents improves your listening and speaking flexibility.
That's interesting. I usually listen to American English, but I guess British or Australian accents can help too?
Absolutely. Secret 8. Shadow with gestures and facial expressions. This might sound strange, but moving your body and face like the speaker helps your brain connect with the language emotionally and physically.
Wow, I never thought about that. It's like acting.
Exactly. Secret 9. Practice shadowing daily, even if just for 5 minutes. Consistency beats intensity. Short daily practice is better than long, irregular sessions.
That's encouraging. Sometimes I worry I don't have enough time.
Secret 10. Be patient and enjoy the process. Fluency doesn't happen overnight. Celebrate small wins and keep your motivation high.
These secrets are gold, Natalie. Can we try a quick shadowing exercise now to put some of these into practice?
Of course. Let's do a short clip together. I'll say a sentence with emotion and rhythm, and you repeat after me, matching my tone and pace. I'm so excited to learn English every day.
Every step I take brings me closer to fluency.
Mistakes are just part of the journey, and I embrace them.
My English is improving and I feel confident. That felt different, more alive and natural. I can see how these secrets make a big difference.
Perfect. Remember, shadowing is not just about words, it's about feeling the language. If you want to sound fluent fast, these secrets will guide you every step of the way.
Thanks so much, Natalie. And to everyone watching, if you want more tips and daily practice, don't forget to subscribe to Learning Ascent and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
That's right. Keep climbing, keep practicing, and soon you'll sound like a native. See you in the next video.
Now, before we dive deeper, let's talk about the why behind shadowing. Why does this method work so well when so many others fail?
That's a crucial question, Michael. Most traditional methods focus on passive learning, reading, memorizing, or writing. But speaking a language is an active skill. Shadowing forces your brain to process and produce English simultaneously. It's like training your muscles and your mind at the same time. This dual action creates stronger neural connections, making English feel natural and automatic.
So, it's not just about learning English, but rewiring your brain to think and speak in English?
Exactly. And that's why shadowing is so effective for breaking through the plateau many learners hit. When you shadow, you stop translating in your head and start thinking directly in English. This is the key to fluency.
That makes sense. But what about pronunciation? Many learners struggle with sounds that don't exist in their native language.
Shadowing is perfect for that. By copying native speakers closely, you train your mouth muscles to produce new sounds. You also learn the natural rhythm and intonation patterns, which are just as important as individual words. Over time, your accent improves without you even realizing it.
I love that it's such a natural process. But what if someone feels frustrated because they don't understand every word?
That's totally normal and expected. Shadowing isn't about understanding every single word at first. It's about getting used to the sound and flow of English. Think of it like learning to dance before you learn the names of the steps. The understanding will come with time and practice.
That's a comforting way to look at it. So, Natalie, can you share some tips on choosing the right materials for shadowing?
Absolutely. Here's what to look for. Choose content that interests you. It could be stories, interviews, or even songs. Pick audio that's about 1 to 3 minutes long, short enough to repeat multiple times. Make sure the speaker talks clearly and at a natural speed. Use subtitles or transcripts if you need them, but try to shadow without looking once you're comfortable. Gradually increase difficulty as you improve.
That's helpful. And what about tools? Are there apps or websites you recommend?
Yes, YouTube is a goldmine for shadowing content. You can slow down videos and loop sections. Podcasts like English Unleashed or Learning Ascent have great material too. Apps like Speechling or Elsa Speak offer guided shadowing exercises. The key is to find what works for you and stick with it.
Awesome! Now let's talk about mindset. How important is it to have the right attitude during this challenge?
Mindset is everything, Michael. You need patience, persistence, and a willingness to make mistakes. Shadowing can feel awkward at first, but that's part of the process. Celebrate small improvements and don't be too hard on yourself. Remember, every minute you practice is a step closer to fluency.
That's inspiring.
I think many learners get discouraged because they expect instant results.
Exactly. Fluency is a journey, not a race. The 10 secrets we shared today are designed to help you build a strong foundation. If you keep practicing, you'll see amazing progress.
I'm ready to commit. But before we finish, can you share a few bonus tips to maximize the benefits of shadowing?
Of course, here are my top 3. Use gestures and facial expressions while shadowing. This helps you connect emotionally with the language and improves your naturalness. Practice shadowing in front of a mirror to observe your mouth movements and build confidence. Combine shadowing with thinking in English throughout your day. Try to narrate your actions or thoughts in English to reinforce what you practice.
Those are fantastic tips. I can't wait to try them out.
Me too. And remember, the most important thing is to start. Don't wait for the perfect moment or perfect material. Just pick something, press play, and start shadowing.
Thank you so much, Natalie, for this incredible guide. I feel empowered to take on these shadowing secrets and finally sound fluent fast.
You're very welcome, Michael. And to everyone watching, if you're ready to join us on this journey, don't forget to subscribe to Learning Ascent and hit the bell icon. We'll be sharing daily tips, exercises, and motivation to help you climb higher in your English skills.
Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Start today, keep going, and watch your English soar.
See you in the next video. Keep shadowing, keep shining, and keep climbing with Learning Ascent.